What's up, Internet Land? It's David here. It's the 9th of August, and I'm headed down to Moab. So now I'm headed up to the national park, and gonna head on out to Delicate Arch. Looks like we got about an hour, just under an hour till sunset. So, perfect timing. I'm here at Balancing Rock, and I just got an awesome shot of the moon inside the crotch. I think that's the moon I'm pointing at right there. Anyway, they turn out gorgeous just on the camera without any filters. Now headed down to where Delicate Arch is. It's a little further out from this main arch area here in Arches. When we get there, or when I get there, because you're not actually with me, I'm going to have to park the rig, and then I'm going to try and hike up there as fast as I can and get a sunset photo, which I got the last time I was here, so I checked that one off the list. I had the kids and, well, the entire family with me, and they did really good going up to the Delicate Arch. It's quite the trek, but we all made it. Alright, so I have parked the car, started the hike, and if I remember right, it's about 1.22 miles, and it's uphill, and you just gotta go for it. I didn't find any water down at the bottom of the parking lot, so you're gonna want to pack water in if you decide to do this. I just drank a whole bunch of water before I came up here, so should be good. Well, that full moon's not going to be good for astrophotography, but we're going to make the best of it. Alright, we're at one of the more difficult parts. This is a big flat piece that absorbs a lot of heat during the day. So even though the sun has set, it is really hot on these rocks. But look at that view. Alright, made it up past the steep part. Now we're climbing onto the north side, or walking around the north side of this cliff, and then it opens up into the bowl that delicate arches in.